Hello and welcome. I've got here a Dethleffs Alpa i6820 to show you. Unfortunate name, it's got sleeping for 4, it's got a rear lounge. It costs 182,000 euros. It is 748 centimeters long, 233 wide, has a height of 304. And the extra sleeping I mentioned is optional. That'll go in the rear lounge. Excuse me. Sorry. It's got a double floor, as you can see, and at the front it's got this layout arranged so you can see the beds in the lower position. You've seen the driving position in other vehicles, so what you've got here is a chance to see what it's like when you are sleeping in it. This is not really a crawl space because you'd crawl through when this was high. In here we've got the stairs to get up. If you weigh more than 120 kilos, then you're out of luck. You're going to have to pull yourself in. In here we've got storage, and and up the other side as well. There's the light. Make it a bit brighter. Now, here we have got a shower, central drainage, anti-slip surface, all-day heating, and a big shower head that might be like being out in the rain. And here in here, we'll close this like that, open this like, sorry. There's me in the mirror, and here we have this enormous for a toilet for a vehicle, particularly a vehicle of this size. I would say all-day heating in the toilet as well. I mean, you don't have to keep this closed, but you might want to. Right, you can see it's got a double floor. It's not flat at the back. It's got this step up here. There must be a technical reason for this, of which I am unaware, but I've noticed I'll have to really find out why that happens. What we'll do is we'll have a quick look at the double floor. I think the double floors are great. If I look at how deep it is, plenty of storage space in there, and it's also great for keeping the vehicle warm and putting in the technical infrastructure, such as the tank. Has a grey tank, a dirty water tank, and down here there you've got some of the electrical stuff as well. It's a good place to put it. There, that's for the heating system, and you can see there's also storage at the rear end as well. Kitchen, very wide, spaced out hobs. You can use all 3 in one go, no problem there. And here we have this magnificent sink, wide, deep. Storage goes above it. Let's have a quick look at that. And this magnificent, I think, sloped, curved drawer system. And here, there's your bins. Right, rear lounge here at the back. Now, they have a number of rear lounge motorhomes. Indeed, Dethleffs were the first company to offer this layout. It's now been copied by everybody else, but the person who thought of this layout's my mate Lothar, and it was originally done in an overcab model, and then they started doing it in the integrated versions as well. Television built into the wall there, and possibility of turning this into a bed as well, should you want it. Now, Cartago calls this layout the liner for 2. Heimer brand calls it the Duomobile, and both of those names are much better than the Alpa, whatever this name this has got, which is perfectly forgettable. But never mind the bad choice of name. I think this is it's a very nice vehicle. I really would like to take one of these out for a while. I don't think it's the sort of thing it would suit me as a person, but because I need to use mine, like my van needs to be like a delivery vehicle. I've got so much junk to carry around with me as I live in the thing all the time. But yeah, really, this would appeal to me. Sort of sitting here in the back with the door wide open and an insect screen across. Next to oh, I'll let the music play. This is the CMT theme. So that's the theme tune to this trade fair, and that is played just before the public walk in. Now, if you'd like to have more information on this vehicle, then you can find it on in the description below, and I'll just show you a sort of an equivalent sort of vehicle with the German layout here. Oh, a very wonderful good morning to you.
Einen wunderschönen guten Morgen. Heute Tag 4 Messe CMT. Wie
So it's the
immer bei
fifth-
Bauernansprache gibt es natürlich ein paar organisatorische
Fifth day of CMT, no, it's the fourth day of CMT.
machen, müssen erstmal noch ein bisschen Danke sagen.
It's included the professional day. Anyway, I won't speak over somebody else. Just wanted to give you a quick look round, and so you can see it now. But you can see it's in a different vehicle. Sorry, you can see it's in a different video. And I'm not going to bother other people speaking, so I'm going to walk away. Thanks so much for watching. All the best from me in Stuttgart.
Dem ganzen Team, die machen hier wirklich einen super Job. Und drum einmal bitte einen dicken Applaus für Leute, und dann die Angela, da hinten steht sie auch, Angela mit Anastasia, die